Hey, I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing money. The first step we're going to take is to draw the side. It's just a big long curve like this. The next step is to draw a line that goes up like that. And then we're going to draw a line that goes down, down, down. And then when you're halfway there, you're going to stop like this. So stop there. And then we're going to curve the top so it goes up and over like this. Now the next step we're going to take is to take this line and go down, down, down and curve it kind of like that first line you made. Curve, curve, curve till you get to where you want to stop. Now this curved line, I'm going to extend it just a bit here so it kind of matches my other side, and then I'm going to make a line out and down, and then you're going to make a curve that goes around and touches that line. Now for the middle, this line that you made, we're going to make that band that goes across money. When you have a big stack of money, you make this band so it all holds together. So I'm going to go across and then again across like this, and then connect any lines that you didn't already and extend that line so it goes down and curved in. Make it a little thicker. There we go. Now the next step is to draw little accent marks right here. And maybe one right here to show that it's a big wad of cash. I'll put another one right there. Let's make the detail on it. So let's go out and then make a curved line that goes over and out like this. And then we're going to curve it in a bit again. Now take that line and then curve down and in. This side, down and in. Now keep going past that band, down, 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 and stop. Other side, down, and then stop. We're going to kind of make these same curves, but down here. So curve again, other side, curve again, and then connect those 2 points. Now let's draw a big kind of half circle in the middle like that. And then we're going to finish off that half circle with a little smaller one under the band. I'm going to make a dollar sign, but you're welcome to make like a face or whatever you want in the middle. My sign will have a point that goes in and out towards the band, and then we're gonna go up and over. We'll go up, over again, and then put a line. Now this point, go down, and then we're gonna go up and over, in a bit, and then curve around and stop. Now we're going to go down, in, and then a little line in, and then curve in there. Now we're going to make another curve. Oops, let's touch it. There we go. And then draw a line that goes down, 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 and stop. A curved line in, and another curved line in there. One more line to finish it up that goes down. There, it kind of looks like a dollar sign. Let's make, I'm going to make mine ones like I said, but you're welcome to put however many numbers you want there. Let's make a 1 by making a line, and then we're going to go down and then up. We're going to make a line up like this, out, and then down, we're gonna go out, out, and then a little line, and in. 1. Okay, let's make the same thing on the other side. So I made that line, and then curve up and down, a little bit more down. Curve in, down, out, out, and then make that box shape at the end. Put a 1 right here. If you look at money, they're all in the corners. I'm curious if you put $1 million, what it would look like instead of my big stack of 1s. And if you're from a different country that doesn't use dollar bills, it would be fun to put your denomination on it. That'd be cool. Okay, let's put one more 1 right there, and up, down, down, out, out, and then that little square. There we go. Now, you're welcome to leave it like this, your big stack of cash, or you can draw a face. I'm going to draw a face. So mine's going to have 2 big circles, 1 and 2. It's going to have another big circle in the middle for the eye, and then another big circle in the middle for the eye. And then I'll just color it in black all the way in. And then same thing for the other one. Color it all the way in black. And then for the middle part, for the mouth, it's kind of round like this. And then round again and in, round again and in. And then go up. For the tongue, we're going to make a curve and then another curve. So you can leave it like that again, or put little arms. I'm going to make mine cute and put arms. There's 1 sticking out there with just 3 lines, and then I'm going to stick 1 down here, and then 3 lines again. Let's color it in. Here's your big wad of cash. I hope this brings you some good fortune for your brand new year. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for brand new drawings. And I will see you next time. Bye.